kilong foin kona al inni na janinga doi bella orre kwa kikang fangaturo korengan so min tuske kwa ka fogo bol na kuin sola majiran baina na majiran tabungo rigia aule tok majiran tabu adam komuo na ker majiran tabu gadura kilman simin surbasi asa kaina kariba bangi na majirasi tin anina kwasi donga kania jago majiran tabu adam komuo na kwa donga yen
kibai abara fatai konyet aismonga donga yani bundege awal kwang na kain ala si donga ni ala koyanga na kain na baru kain na dok aule bundege na dok kain gut falinga si nyeddin donga ani ala kain ini wo mosambaru ala kiyengis gut kaul danga lu noto na soga kunyiba na dok bundege na dok majira si nyeddin donga ani ala kain daldin diona man kain kain si dok iman simin surpas kanga dam kumo ibarai
na daim bara gadura gal kikwa fatangan belay he is the one of the head of the new generation school students and gadura let's say hi to your people.
Thank you Mr. Jack for having me, and it's my honor and privilege to be here with you in the new coming generation TV channel. First of all, allow me to pass my greeting to every single person in the 4 nations around the globe, and secondly, to all the teachers whom they are do day and night for helping us, and all the students whom studying with us.
Thank you so much. Jingo togle kanalang majiran bain adam komungo si kingo den jingong den togle aram komungo kalon sia di do jana majiran to bujang fangaturo porengan somne kwela langes joa guda ilonga aye asabedo na mambe na jara pale bawo
kiborai barafatai jak nitinyani alangis ulini guda ilonga asa kya la asabedo na manken na jara kako gud kise tulesanga guda la ka min ay la asabedo na manken na jara tule kwansika na manken na jara fa kwansika kole la asabedo jara sunga domya no gusunga domya na kasi kwa nyedin gud falenga sina majara sidonga ni ala kere ngiski ngis gud nangis kaw dakulu to na kwa get kurane do alang kenna gud sika kisense.
Thank you so much. Gadura, we know that is you, the one of the head of student in this new generation school. So tell us about the class of the last year, how it was.
Thank you. It's my honor to be a presenter of the student of generation school.
Yeah,
English section. We, as the student, the English is a very important of the human being of the, because all of us or everybody around the globe, if you want to communicate with the people, you have to know English language.
Yeah.
Because this is the international language, and everybody visit the website with just with the English language. And last year, all the students was very active, and the teachers were supporting us so much day and night, and we very grateful for that. And we have the students around 100 students, and all of us sit in the final exam, and all of us were very fasting and moving to the next class.
Yeah. Aran komo danjingo ngole kwalangi kingo nasjwa na ukuli kelkame aljari apa ko seba na alanges jwa jarre aisilonga na majira ninke alakele na jarre apa ko sikay
kibarai profatta ke asiker para dinjingo awle jarre alaka jarre apa ko yanaka na jarre tuleskenga na majira alakele na jarre ka majira sunga kain idina ayala sebedo majira ting nusa kain madin ayele majira sunga kay na kera na jarele ka ala jarre ka min jarre tule ko na majara pa ko na jarre tule skenga kisense na itkaw alang kwa nyeding tabung kyang is tabung ko sun na kwa nyeding ringa ke ringa ki wala le kyang idingiri kusa ngaba na dangut fana sunga do makani
mayra manji njwal aya sabedo ale tim majira takeing mara ayal in urkani leal majira jarra pala songo ke aya sabedo ning ke ne ngaye degle ninge
kise ayala sabedo alaka majiranga naka majiranta waya ngaba ki alfena sabatay ndio majira ting no sagay itake marin tayin ayina ka asa majiranta wang majira fisinski majira dain so mila lake awal ayala sabedo firi ken kida wala gal miya wala gal asha wayanga sabe ke na atang firinga awle ke songage ala ke na butka
ke na forum
bele ke na forum bele ka kisense yani songage na qur'ani do kala do kilele songakel na dai gusika no to
aso is coming to right Mr. Gadura last week or last week before you had the financial exams for a year and we need to tell us how many students there passed these exams.
We were around 100 students, and we are passing exam. We in the different classes, but all the students they passed the exam is very interesting, and we are so happy. And now we're moving to the next classes, and a lot of students they attended, join with us with the new classes, and they're so happy. And even we have the new books or the new system or the way of education, and we are so grateful for that. The teachers doing with us so capable, pushing us forward to the future.
Do you mean that you have the new student they come attended in this school in order to study English language?
Yeah, of course we have the more than the 50 students, and like all of us like 150 students, and we were studying, and we are so grateful that we are studying, moving. We have to look ourselves or to claim the next level to be able to help ourselves by ourselves.
So tell us what it was in the exams. So the exams was, I hear that the exam was so difficult than last year's too.
Yeah, of course the exam should come difficult, but instead of you have to face your difficulty in order to success yourself, in order to learn, to move yourself, to improve that. We are the student we studied already, but the exam is coming. We just passing the exam because we want to invest ourselves that we are the student to very capable and so active that we ready to move forward.
Good. Thank you so much. Majaram bayin adam komungo danjingo ngale wala danjingo isle kwarangi kingo Majaram bayin kalugina foreign bele sosoyo nang kerrek ba jayna jonyi ngal majaran to bujang na majaran sis janyindi na gutpali ngas dongo jebiti nas janyindi na majaran konas rimmen jaw na taringa jaw majaran si alan dayan gutta bunje foreign bele ngal kideng nin koni ji aljanna foreign bele se jaw dole lan ka doje joag ji jolan ka doje idi munna kideng boru wala dayan worale ko lan foro sonwa taringa sonwa le ke ne ke idi munna ki taringa sosos kan na kwala foreign bele le rim kawe etagi ala taringa kawe ji jolan ka doje
ke boray dinjingo iskwale dinjingo songa domi ne be mi ko dalan sogata bu kwale longala yeah kuinya kada kaduoto azaka yeren kuinya songare
kiya
songare irina daim for kenzina atulla tumiwa na udonga songas kan daim for indio alanka naka well alan do it aton dombarenga arindi na ariel alan dombarenga alan do me rimmen aw ina la kan baranga tabungere rimmen ka ina do baranga karu songa do ngani na korgwel asan kila kwale na do baranga rimmen aw na tare songa kaw borunsi na foras kanyedi alan daimbe tumingi na kwang ara irijo kisense
jijo la alan good pali jang ala do baranga rimmen kawe alan kwa good kal na san poranga se do baranga songa ki rimmen ba alan forimbe goshi na pay na kila rimmen ga
ugadba
okay na dimbe ba jamaili kelman se min sur base donc songa kan idi undona ko ran do baranga forimbe ranki yete donc songa kan dimbe ba jamaili Mr. Gadura.
Yep.
So we heard about you and or some of your history also and also in your debate when you been had the debate in the new generation school with your student. So always you have a good vision, dreams, you're thinking more. So tell us, what is your dream in this language?
My dream is I want to be the lawyer.
To be a lawyer?
I want to be a lawyer to see how the laws going around or among our community.
That's good. Okay.
Because we have been through a lot of things and we didn't know what is going on or what's coming from. Instead of being lawyer, you have to push yourself to the next level. We have to improve that we as the human being, we have to prove our humanity. We have to show to the other people.
Yeah.
And the education or the learning, the new thing is that we prove ourselves or we active through that. The learning is coming through reading and writing and speaking. And our generation of school open day and night for the student prove themselves they studying the new things.
Do you mean that if you want to be the lawyer, you must study English well in order to become a lawyer, to go to university? You mean to go to university to finish your degree in university, and then to go to when you finish your university to come become a lawyer? You mean?
I have to finish my university and then become a lawyer. But before to finish my university, I have to coming through a lot of the things that is happening to me and my friends, my people, all of things that we coming through. We have to know it before we enter the university.
Thank you so much, brother. Fernando wala majiranta wu adam komo kelma so simo yalang kibiongang en sedeblena kersing kwalangi kimo in pangaturo porranganso le alkaluki kerrek wala lu na to alkalu koluno gudo so ngaking joagis kingudo nyet ay bawbi ne porranganso omle na kwa fatanga beleke nando koluno computer ke nando koluna na forum beleke joagis porranganso me ka ke in Qatar ya levi
ke barai lo ke asikero dinyo on akole tongaki wala kan soma tonga uskain amadik dan somi na dik kan ila kan faranga kaw kan karanga kaw dan som fanga turo forengan som ini ala kan na gut kaw kisense gut songa gena kaw gudo songa kaw forum bele kaw ning kwa fata bele kaw ning tegine kwa bele kaw ning computer kaw gudo songa gena kaw barki kinsinyat kitinas kangre irina dan somilla
kitinas bengerel tin kwa fata beleng tin forum beleng tin computering tin tegine kwa ndiem bele
ye madenge kerek si falangi dan somilla
kerek somba
falangi na kwa dele gut koy na kwa fisinge na kwa kilma simo ke nyeddi majra ala ke na kin gudu ma kergala koy nyeddi kilma simo ke na dazi suka ni sky tin nyeddi na kay ayanga kaw na kay tarenga kaw ala kay ni kisense
kelma simi surbat Mr. Gadura we know that you are the one of the student new generation school. So we need to know or tell us about the new generation school. There is called new generation school. There is the foreign language. There is the computer programs. There is the Hebrew language. There is the English language. Tell us, how do you manage these things in order to study in this same school?
I have been from the different schools, but it's the first time that
You've been in different schools.
I have been in different schools.
Okay.
But it's the first time that I see the student like the school, like generation school, that they able to schedule their time and to be open always, day and night. Like we have the different student of English language, student of foreign language, student of the computer program, even every language. But we all of us coming from the different places to one place, the place that they call the generation school. We have to study, but all of us just looking for one thing, one goal. One goal.
You are thinking different schedule, but you are
just looking for the one goal.
One goal.
The goal is
What is
that
the goal that you?
the goal that is the claim the ladder of success.
Okay.
To be able to communicate ourselves, to be able to improving that we are the human being. We have to study to know ourselves, where we come from and where we want to go.
Do you mean that the same student they are study the computers and also English and foreign language together to manage themselves and to improve themselves to go for work to educate it more?
Of course, that I mean. And we have to. We no longer start the follow the other people's success. We have to success ourselves and other people to follow us. We have to be the leader, not the followers. We have to be the successful, not the losers. We have to be the winners, not the procrastination things that the other people doing. We not be able to look the other people that they doing and we clap them. We need the other people clapping us.
To clap you to do best things.
I do the best and other people clap on
to
me.
clap you.
Yeah, of course.
That's good. That's good. Thank you so much. Majirante wo adam komungo kilmasi miso base al kinjingo se bayode kwel alange danjingo kiri kongo osle kwel alange getinkani na kwase donga jeni na din domonkai ala jola sang forase jago asa kayingo na porengan som fanga turo porengan som lia ka gulbana fanga turo porengan som tari enim birnya fi ngin tasfi na forase for fulngindi nanzi computer fulngindi nanzi english fulngindi nanzi tegino kwa mbele fulngindi kin kwa la tonga kayina kungena ka gulba din domonkai dir
ke warai kinjo kari kwale fogo bolbol to gani dinjingo imbeleng kisense wala dinjingo den jawi don tok baw asa warel ba
don tok baw
aswarel ba
no ko songa gan
ko songa ge nama ko gala steri kaw ko gala to ngena azanga makalde na forum beleza ko kundu bala forum
ko la zaga kala to ge zaga
kisense ko gene kunye na askole bal ko na forum de na sen stari ko na kikwela lan ko anyet kagol na kelna daimbele enzi kutumo min seba ala sko na manin tabunko ka ala elna kisense na forum beleza awi seba ala so asaloba forum beleza ayni rimme ngana ayni ardanga badin ela atontele na mangi mayalan tabu ago na man baranga gi mayalan tabu kana mayalan bien tare tes a idina kadele futara forum beleza futara good no to au alanka kwasi nesese anay au eswazi nese kadde mango na tabunko nama kwasi amin tari tinal be enzijan ko ko tonga ke naka go babara tinal be enzijan ki al enzara kamba bari tinal enzijan na alan kel na
biar majira bang yang siapa ba maratin yang enzijan alan kel na forum legal
ki din enzijan idina kida embelet abki kuru jini mana do dan wada na foya niki akoy ba alan kikari ki ko alan kelal iski nges komal na don tokke na ko sur irka na da imbele nzi kutuma kesense na ki inzi ka ala ko ki inzi kabul isuri ngale wala galis irka go ala ko ki inzi kabul
so Mr. Gadzura you explain us about the new generation school and you explain us about yourself even so what is your message for those people that they still not came to visit even to new generation school? And we see the new generation school, they have different programs, English language, foreign language, computers, Hebrew,
Yeah.
all this kind of things that they're doing action, they're every day practicing, doing well. So what's your message for those people that they still not come to attend it?
My message of those people, they just sleeping at home and looking to the other people's success, that and they be happy. We have the two things that the people used to doing, and they didn't know, or they don't know where they are going.
Yeah.
We have the thing that the people say, the procrastination. After you came back from the work and you used to use Facebook, the other things, watch television.
Do you mean that the people they waiting their time when after they went to work and come back to home, they're using
they waste their time for nothing.
For nothing. Facebook,
YouTube, Google.
Yeah.
Use a lot of different things
without learning.
Cannot benefit you. Cannot success your life. And that the things that the you have to know that everything or every successful things that the people does, you can do. It's not possible.
Do you mean that everything that the other human being do, you also human being, you can prove yourself and you push
it's not
yourself
impossible.
It's not impossible.
It's possible, but easy.
It's easy to do.
It's easy to do it. But if you want to do it, you have to come through education.
Without education, you cannot.
Without education, you cannot able to do it. And second thing is that we, as the human being, we have to improve ourselves, our humanity. As that the successful people done or they do it, we're not able to introduce ourselves even. Why? Because the things that the other people does, they've been through a lot of things, a lot of hard work, but we just saying that we are tired.
You are tired.
The tire is not helping you.
So much. Kinman simin sorbas orekwa lobilo alabang na daing tuskasi bolu fangaturo porengan so minsi kikang fangaturo porengan so min kwa ne kem majira na idonga so ngwa kani doin soltok adam komungo ye yala majirante bui forim belen den darale na doin sol kerko gadura ye yala galdo genalo majirante bui ko fatangan belele asos coming alkere na daing tuskele ko gul majira songwa ke na gut kawe na gut pananga do ke na gut kawe in dain so mule panga duro porangan somle kikang nas kin kwase kabenes belangan senga kama so to bukwale ge ban matin sola kiwon kay ngola keranga sin kay nakakira nage donga kania asogis kamin ko barnganyet kin kwase donga songwa kanni ala injuru sis karyaran daing fanga turo porangan somke na dele belenga ke na kwa rimmen kawe na kumbitera ke na kawe asogis kamin barma ke bora asogis kamin yaron komo. Thank you so much brother.
Thank you so much Mrs.